Hello everyone. I am very happy to speak at this African Summit around Metaverse, education and community development. I am Samia CHELBI, university teacher in creative software engineering, founder of 3D Netinfo, the first 3D school in Africa since 1999. Netinfo trained more than 25,000 professional and students and reached more than 18 African countries. Netinfo trains in 3D and Metaverse jobs. Our school is academic partner of Autodesk, the leader, international leader of 3D technologies, and Epic Games around Unreal Engine. In 2015, we set up a laboratory of innovation, unique in Africa, certified by European Network of Living Labs, INOL. Our living lab, the name of our living lab is DIGIARTLIVINGLAB. Since 2020, I founded online programs with our partners, with Autodesk and Epic Games. The first one in 2020 is around 3D Africa Maker, okay, to train community in Africa, more than six countries around 3D printing. In 2021, I co-founded the African Game Dev program with Epic Games to train around the Unreal Engine talents from 10 countries, how they can produce their prototype of video game. And emerged from this program three startups, two from Kenya and one from Burkina. And one of them, I consider it became a success story, content supported by Ubisoft and in the program of co-production managed by Spielfabrik. In 2022, and the last one and not the least, is Africa Metaverse Tribe. This program I co-founded in partnership with Epic Games and 20 African countries and 4 northern countries. Let's talk about Metaverse education and community development. The world is currently experiencing a digital revolution with the Metaverse and Web 3. And we must say thank you, COVID, for accelerating the advance of these new trends. For years, I have been defending the democratization of training in new technology, especially creative, digital and immersive, mostly in Africa, because I consider that our continent is full of very smart talents and with a strong potential in terms of creating global value. On the other hand, our continent has a very high unemployment rate, and we must set up programs to help those talents find jobs that make them proud and impose them on the international market as an essential skill for the world development. And thus, the view of the world changes in relation to our continent, and this will erase the image of illegal immigration. To do this, we must offer online training opportunities. And why not create a metaverse dedicated to the training of African talents, design it and produce it by them. And that is what we are doing. We launched in June 2022 the Africa Metaverse Tribe, in collaboration with 20 African countries, supported by Epic Games and Tezos. Africa Metaverse Tribe has two components, a think tank and Africa Metaverse Academy. I am honored to be the director of the Academy. The main goal of our Academy is to train more than 300 young talents in the basic concepts of Metaverse and Web3. Then we will gather them in groups to produce Metaverse prototypes with a strong social impact in order to integrate their communities and thus promote their territories and cultures. We believe that training talents in the best way is the best way to introduce them to the international market and equip them well to impose themselves through their skills. The demo day of the program is scheduled to the end of April 2023, and we invite you all to attend and give us your feedback. We strongly believe in the co-build of the community by the community because it is our richness. Of course, we are training, but we are learning from each other. We are in the process of applying for grants like Epic Mega Grants to win them and share those budgets with the community. So developing the mindset of sharing is very important to overcome the budget problem we suffer from as an African actors. We consider that Metaverse is a new way to teach and learn and can positively impact learning and capability building for those reasons. The first one is that Metaverse helps learn and connect in an immersive virtual campus. The second is that enhance real-world skilling in virtual and hybrid environments. The third is to explore different worlds through visualization and storytelling. The fourth one, it helps to build human capabilities in interpersonal and difficult situations to minimize the risk. The fifth is to improve accessibility for people with disabilities. And the last and not the least is to increase data capture on learning performance. So to finish, I would like to thank you very much for your attention and let's continue to co-build together for a strong African continent with its talents. Thank you.